About a year ago, we came up with the concept of putting rockets on rollerblades. And this was a total throwback to a time in my life in my early 20s when I was a professional stunt rollerblader. Now, in order to make these rocket skates, we had our friend Rob custom make an aluminum wing that fit directly onto my rollerblades. We then went out to the Funk Bros house and we tested different sized rockets on the skates. What we learned is that the smaller rockets in the range of C to D did not really give us enough thrust to move forward from a perfect standstill. From here, we went up to the biggest rocket called an E-class, and then ignited them from a rolling start. This made all the difference in the world. Also to note that every time that you advance in the alphabet, the rocket power doubles. So from A to B, doubles. From B to C, also doubles. Now the skates we're using have these super big wheels, and we wanted it that way so that the rocket wing would have plenty of clearance to the ground, and that also that our max speed would be higher than if we used small wheels. However, the unintended result is that it became very hard to overcome inertia, meaning it became very hard to actually get going from a perfect standstill. This led us to figure out that the real punch from the rocket happened once you were already in motion. Now, I'm a millennial, and I was a huge fan of all things Jackass growing up. And I remember in the original Jackass movie, Johnny Knoxville straps on bottle rockets onto quad skates as he's going downhill. So this got me thinking, David Dobrik knows Steve-O. I know David Dobrik. So let's put Steve-O in rocket rollerblades that are 10 times more powerful than the ones that Johnny Knoxville used and see what happens. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just put the rockets in place now so that we're kind of ready to go as soon as our subject gets here.
Does Steve-O know what he's walking into?
Not really, like a little bit. There's always the potential for them to fail and they blow up.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's a thing.
These are the remotes that he's gonna be boosting with.
Then he ignites here.
That's the thing about rollerblading, dude. Like, you don't want to look bad, but you don't want to look too good either.
All right. So yeah, just get comfortable with these just on the flat land, and then you'll understand. This part has to go down through your pants, so you can do that however. Steven, what's the plan?
All right. Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody, Steve-O here. And David reached out asking if I would try out some rocket skates. And I was like, you know what? You wanted the best, you got the best. So here we go.
Quite literally the best. You ready?
Some people said it could not be. I just push the button?
Yeah. Not while I'm down here.
Right now.
So yeah, go ahead and pull these out. These are the actual
Okay,
igniters.
let me get the...
So this one's for your left hand, this one's for your right hand. Tester on, moving. Ignition, ignition, ignition. Well, it's gonna be interesting. I think you're ready, bro.
All right.
You are hot. So
Hot and not good at rollerblading.
perfect.
Dude, you better check out the Jackass 4 at my channel.
That was awesome.
Well, our findings were a success. Steve-O did accomplish the mission. We were actually testing to see how sturdy my outdoor table was, and Restoration Hardware, you did a good job.
All right, Steve-O, how was it?
Well, I've done a lot of crazy stunts in my career. Very few were as intense as this. Very few. The energy in the house, I mean, it was just like, it was over the top, and I'm beside myself. I don't know what to do next with my life and my career.
Well, you literally were the perfect person for this, so that's
Thanks,
awesome.
man.
And you have a movie coming out, right?
I do. It's called Jackass Forever.
Oh, sick.
It's the one we've been calling Jackass 4.
Dope.
And there's a trailer at my channel, which is youtube.com/Steve-O.
And we want to make sure that one gets more views than the actual trailer. So go to his YouTube channel first, then go to the trailer. All right,
Very
bro.
important.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
Right on.